The next important model paper, that is for the business statistics and also previous examination question paper. Just look at the part A, that is in 2018 they asked you, yeah, y equals to 0.6, sigma x they given 1.5 and sigma y equals to 2. Find byx and by on x. Importance of index numbers. From the following data, calculate the price index based on price relatives method using arithmetic mean. Very important, and exactly they are asking price relative each and every time. Next, what are the uses of time series? Explain mutually exclusive events. Second one, not mutually exclusive movements. When two dice are thrown, find the probability that find the probability that the sum of the numbers is either 10 or 11. Very important and very easiest calculation. Yeah. Coins, 6 coins are tossed at a time. What is the probability of getting 4 or more heads? Very important. Properties of normal distribution they asked you to write. Next, in part B, define regression and what are the differences between correlation and regression. Here is also be the theory question. Next, in part B, or that is 9b, they given sigma x, sigma y, sigma x square, sigma y square, xy and capital N. Find the regression equations and also be the correlation coefficient. Shortcut they given directly formulas. Okay, next, following are the indices in 2007. Shift the base. Shift the base to the 2012. Here is your question. Okay. Next, in continuation. From the following data, calculate price index number by using Patches method and Laspier's method also, Marshall Edwards method also. Here price and expenditure is given. This also be the repeated question each and every time they are asking in the index numbers. Next, find the 4 yearly moving averages from the following data. 4 PMA question is also be the repeated. Next, B, production figure of a textile industry are the as follows. For the above data, determine the straight line equation, that is trend line equation by the method of least squares. Find the trend values and show the trend line on a graph paper. Next, 12A is belongs to the probability. From 30 tickets marked with first 30 numerals, one ticket is drawn at random. It is replaced and a second draw is made. Find the probability that in the first draw it is multiple of 5 or 7 and in second draw it is multiple of 3 or 7. Very important probability question. Let's see the 12b, that is in a box, yeah, sorry, in a bolt factory. The machines P, Q and R manufacturers respectively 25 percentage, 35 percentage and 40 percentage of the total of their outputs. 5, 4, 2 percentage respectively are the defective bolts. A bolt is drawn at random from the product and known to be defective. What are the probabilities that it was manufactured by the machines P, Q and R? 13A, here also be the 13A, 5 coins are tossed 3200 times. Find the frequencies of the distribution of heads and tails. Tabulate the results and also calculate mean and standard deviation of fitted distribution. Next, a study of past participants indicates that the mean length of time spent on the program is 500 hours. That is, the normal distribution random variable has a standard deviation of 1000 hours. What is the probability that the participant selected at random will require to complete the program in the following cases? Case number 1, more than 500 hours, that is greater than or equals to 500, between 500 and 600, between 550 and 650, between, next, less than 580 hours, between 420 and 570 hours. Very, very important question. So with this we are completing almost all 3 model papers which they are given in the previous examination, so which is also be helpful for the students who are going to appear for the next coming examinations of business statistics too. Thank you.